Alright, so to make slip, what you guys are going to get is your clear tub from the counter. You need to open the lid, and then you're going to get a block of clay from me. Slip is important. It's just clay with water, but you want to do this where it's correct. The easy temptation is going to be to make these giant spheres. So you don't want to make anything bigger than a pea or a corn kernel because it needs to have time to suck up the moisture and to become mushy. Slip acts like a glue, and all it is just the clay soaked in water to the point where the minerals that are inside of this, remember clay has three parts to it. It's sediment, minerals. Oh my goodness, it's been so long since I've done clay, I can't remember the third part. Oh, water. Duh. The minerals come from decomposed plant and animal life forms that have been sitting somewhere under the sediment and building billions of years of pressure. And so as you decompose all those precious minerals, vitamins, calcium, iron that's in your body leaks out into the soil around it, and over billions of years of pressure that goes into the soil around it. Clay's found in riverbeds or places where water used to be, so it's always going to be in a water system area. So yeah, you guys are playing with something that lived about 1 billion years ago in your hands. Hopefully it wasn't a human. Hopefully it was more plant-based, but no guarantees. Welcome to life in clay. Joys of doing clay. Yeah, you want to fill this up pretty much all the way to the top. And you can see how I'm building. I'm just kind of pulling little pieces, rolling them in between my hands. You can also see what clay's doing. My hands, because I'm warm, are stealing the moisture, and that moisture that I'm stealing is being left on my fingers and hands as a form of dust. So just for prosperity purposes and to speed this up, we're going to imagine that I have filled this thing all the way up. I'll give you a side view of it, right? Looks pretty good. And we're going to walk over to the sink, but I have a fancy little water bottle. And you want to pour so that half of what you have created is covered in water. You don't want to go all the way to the top. So if you look at that, I'm not halfway yet. But I do not want to totally submerge all of my clay. That's perfect. And then I'm just going to close the lid on that. And over the weekend, this is going to become some really awesome slip for your clay project. So that's why we're doing it today or Friday, so that way you guys have some really good slip when you come back and you're ready to do your tile.